We are pleased to present the 12th Street Townhome development opportunity on South Hill in Bellingham, Washington. The property is divided into 3 fee-simple lots to build out luxury townhomes with expansive water views. Each townhouse design provides expansive views from the main floor, upper floor, and exterior decks. The design also includes a garage and extra off-street parking, private landscaping, and separate utilities. The homes face 12th Street with a curb, gutter, and sidewalks, and back up to South State Street, overlooking Bellingham Bay. These are fee-simple lots, not condominiums, and have no homeowner association dues. The developer has completed all land use entitlements, and the City of Bellingham has approved permits for each townhome and the stormwater connection. The seller will pay the balance of permit fees upon closing. These lots are truly ready to build. Located on the historic South Hill in Bellingham, Washington, these prime residential lots look west over beautiful Bellingham Bay to the San Juan Islands and the Cascade Mountains. Just a block away is Bellingham's premier waterfront, Boulevard Park, and boardwalk leading to the historic over-the-water pier at Taylor Dock. Historic Fairhaven is a mere few blocks away to the south, and downtown Bellingham 1 mile to the north. This area is easily accessible via dedicated bike lanes, the South Bay Trail, and the Watkin Transit Authority. Reach out to the listing team for details and specifications, including the offering memorandum, floor plans, and permit details.